Row,
Reality of Wrestling.
we are TNT, and you may not know who we are, but that's okay, because you will. I've been thinking. You've been thinking?
Yeah, I've been thinking.
What's the fastest rising promotion with the fastest rising stars?
Row, Reality of Wrestling.
And on March 8th, at the Last Stand Rumble, we are 1 week away.
1 week away.
And we don't need no invitation to show up there.
No more invitations and no more asking. We are coming to Houston, Texas, March 8th to Reality of Wrestling to steal those tag team titles. And if you got the balls, add another tag team to the mix.
You should know something, Booker, about statements, because our father, Devon Dudley, made plenty of statements, and at your expense.
And now in 2025, we are going to make statements at your tag team's expense.